Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to be checking out the 5 best mirrorless cameras. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research of the markets. I try to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, check out the links in the description below, and sure subscribe to our channel for future review videos. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5. Fujifilm X-T30. The Fujifilm X-T30, its advanced autofocus tracking capability, and high-quality 4 kelvins 30p video capabilities. The number of AF phase detection pixels in the sensor has been increased to 2.16 million and now cover the entire frame. Eye detection AF can be configured to priority focus on individual eyes. You can select a specific person on the touchscreen panel or with the focus lever so that autofocus and exposure settings are optimized for the subject. Fujifilm X-T30 features the new X processor 4 to have a quad-core design. In the advanced SR Auto mode, the camera automatically selects the optimum shooting settings from 58 preset scenes. Offers 3.0-inch touch LCD with two-way tilting and improved touchscreen to capture images efficiently in challenging situations. The X-T30 offers the ability to record 4 kelvins video at 30 frames per second or capture 120 frames per second at 1080p to create super slow motion effects. Number 4. Sony Alpha A6100. The Sony Alpha A6100, the skin tone feature inherited from our latest, highly acclaimed full-frame cameras, captures the natural beauty of human skin tones. AF provides continuous eye tracking when shooting portraits in motion. The Alpha 6100 is equipped with an external microphone jack, giving you greater options for audio, serious movie shooting and high-quality vlogging. Sony Alpha A6100 can up to 11 fps continuous shooting 5 at 24.2 MP RAW with AF/A tracking. Sony's sophisticated AI-based process massive volumes of spatial data at high speed. Real-time Eye AF provides continuous eye tracking when shooting portraits in motion. Natural-looking images with improved color reproduction match what you see in real life with more vibrant colors. Movie recording with mic and 180-degree tiltable 3 touchscreen LCD. This is lithium battery, AC charger, USB cable, body cap, strap. Number 3. Canon EOS R5. The Canon EOS R5 subject tracking of people and animals using deep learning technology. With 1053 automatic AF zones, it is easier than ever to photograph people with the use of eye, face and head detection AF, eye of cats, dogs, or birds with animal detection AF. Focus and speed are paramount in the EOS R5, providing Canon EOS R5 high-speed continuous shooting of up to 12 fps with mechanical shutter and up to 20 fps electronic, silent, shutter. DIGICX image processor with an ISO range of 100/51200. Expandable to 100/2400 by 1. The 5-axis and body image stabilization can effectively compensate for camera shake with approximately 8 stops of stabilization with use of both non-stabilized and optically image-stabilized lenses. With dual pixel CMOS AF2 capability. High image quality featuring a new 45-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor. Connectivity like 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Number 2. Sony A7R3. The Sony A7R3 pixel shift multi-shooting delivers overwhelming resolution, color fidelity, and texture reproduction, capturing the atmosphere of subject and environment. Movies of extraordinary presence result from innovation supporting 4K HDR images of high resolution, broad dynamic range, and wide color gamut. IAF focuses on and tracks an eye with great precision and speed. Sony A7R3 SuperSpeed USB 3.1 General 1 enabled by a USB Type-C connector allows high-speed PC remote data transfer for smooth handling of large raw data files. A back-illuminated XMOR-R CMOS sensor with gapless on-chip lens collects more light. It can allow silent shooting at up to 10 fps with AF/A tracking. Huge data of 42.4 MP imaging maintains high image quality. An updated BIONZX processing engine boosts processing speeds up to 1.8 xs. Number 1. Fujifilm X-T4. The Fujifilm X-T4 combine this with the new 4-axis digital image stabilizer, and you have lots of room to maneuver. This features a newly developed mechanical shutter that is the fastest and most robust in the history of the X series. Not only can it make images at 15 frames per second, but it is also rated for 300,000 actuation. Fujifilm X-T4. It's a larger capacity battery that is capable of up to 600 frames per charge too. X-T4 has the power and the durability to give you. LCD has been designed to easily fold away. It is completely hidden from view, leaving the updated 3.69 million pixels, 100 fps electronic viewfinder to help you focus on the moment at hand. Full HD 240p super slow motion video. The innovative AFC subject tracking works in low light conditions down to -6 eV, and the camera's use of a new, high-capacity battery.